Easy affiliate marketing using AI. Today I will be reviewing this product called AI Affiliate Goldmine, and we'll see how you can easily do affiliate marketing once you understand these methods. So basically this is a product review and I will be running through this one product, and I've got it myself and I'll tell you why I like this product. I'm going to leave a link in the description and you're going to see, once you click that link, you will come to a page like this. Now this is my bonus page where with this product I'm going to give you quite a few bonuses as well. What all do you get in case you do pick this up? So we'll see if this product is for you, because it's a pretty good product, and like I said, I have it myself, and I'll show you the back end also what exactly you get if you do pick this up. And cutting to the chase, it's just about a little over $12, so well worth it at this price point. So let's have a look. Affiliate Goldmine. So the main thing is you really do not need to be tech savvy to understand and use this product and start affiliate marketing using AI. So this runs you from the basics exactly what is to be done if you want to be good at affiliate marketing, and how to use AI to speed up all this process. So first you discover how to use AI to do affiliate marketing, deploy this AI and start earning from it. Okay, so that's the method that they propose, and let's go ahead. Yeah, so let's have a look and see what bonuses I got in case you do pick it up. So the first and foremost is access to my private coaching group, and you can ask me questions. Also, in case you have any doubts as to what is affiliate marketing, how to go ahead, if you're stuck, you can ask me questions out here. So that's valued at $497. Then my social media commissions course, how to start gaining followers on social media. I had at one point of time over 60,000 followers. Now I said had, so I'll come to that. Okay, yeah, so this is valued at $197, and also one-on-one strategy if you are within the first 5 people to pick this up. Okay, strategy call with you as to how to get ahead with affiliate marketing. Okay, I've made thousands of dollars with affiliate marketing and I know a bit about it, so I could help you out in that direction. So let's have a look. When you click on the link below this video, it will be taking you to this page. Once you click on any of these orange buttons, you'll be taken to the sales page here. So this is part of the OLSP system. If you do not know the OLSP system, I'll show it to you in a bit. So this is the sales page as such. This is going for $12.95, so less than $13, and it might increase in time. I'll show you what all you get with this. Basically how to use AI to do affiliate marketing. That's the base of this, and you can go through the video. This is Wayne Crowell. This is one of my mentors, and with him is the other guy who's actually made this course with him. Okay, so you can go through the sales page and see. Paul also is there. Yeah, and let's have a look and see what exactly you get when you do pick this up. So we'll go into the back end and see actually what you get. So when you do pick up this product, you're taken to this OLSP system, where on the dashboard itself you can see this product. I am part of the team builders here in OLSP, so I picked up quite a few products from OLSP, and I definitely like the way they do things because they do it the right way and they don't try to fleece people or whatever. They do marketing the right way. So I've got a lot of products from there. So I'll show you what exactly you get when you pick up AI Affiliate Goldmine. So the various modules, the first module is the introduction and why written content is still king. We'll tell you all about that. It also simplifies AI and what you should do. Now, in case you're just familiar with ChatGPT, or even if you're not familiar, it will give you a good start here. So even if you do know ChatGPT, this will show you how to use these chats or LLMs to actually get ahead with affiliate marketing. So the first thing is how to get written content done correctly with AI. Then the next part we go to is using ChatGPT and prompting correctly to get exact content to use. Then the next part in module 2, what do you get is getting familiar with ChatGPT platform, how to write prompts correctly, etc. What pitfalls you might have along the way. Then the third module is actually doing affiliate marketing using Facebook to do it correctly. And the OLSP system really shows you how to do affiliate marketing the right way. So this builds on that and it shows you exactly how to use AI to do affiliate marketing correctly. Then we move on to the fourth module. The fourth module is email marketing. How do you use emails correctly? Now you might say, Kneller, who reads emails at this point of time? But you may be wrong, because now let's come back to the story I had. I had over 60,000 followers on Instagram, and one day Meta decided I do not follow their rules. and I have no idea what rules I did not follow, and my whole Instagram account got canned. So the full issue is, if you are not building your own list or you do not have your own platforms, you might just lose your social media account like I did, and you have no means of getting it back at times. That is the thing. You should be building up your email list and nurturing them. And how you do affiliate marketing using email, it shows you. Okay. And next thing, moving on, is blogs. Now you might say, who reads blogs, who really does blogging at this point of time? Again, coming back to my story on Instagram, the fact of the matter is, if you do not have your own platforms, a blog is one of your platforms which you own yourself. Your email list is a thing you own yourself. The social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, etc., you do not own, and you can lose them very easily. Okay, you do something which Meta does not like, they can just close your account. So that's the problem with it. So you should be building things like your blog. Now you may say, why blog? Yes, even I was on the impression that via blog. Why blogging? Blogging as such is a platform where you can start building content, and if you see, Google still recommends blogs. You still get to some blogs. And now if you're building up content on this and you have another social media platform, you could start pushing people from your social media to these blogs. Now, as you start pushing people to these blogs, Google sees traffic coming out there, and Google will start promoting your blog. So you will start getting free traffic to these blogs. Okay, so blogging still not dead. Start using it. Okay, yeah. So how to use blogging and how to do it very fast using AI, that too is covered within this. So how to do affiliate marketing in this day and age, I would recommend getting this course. For the price point of just $12.95, it's a steal. Okay, yeah. And also you'll get my bonuses. So in case you have some doubts about affiliate marketing, you're struggling somewhere, you could ask me questions and I will answer that in the group. Okay, so that's about it with regards to AI affiliate Goldmine. And if you do pick it up with my link below, you would also get these bonuses. Yeah, take care, and don't forget to subscribe if you have not, and hit the bell icon to get notified when new videos are out. Take care. Bye.